everyone, it's me, Kayla Lovehart. Hope you guys are having an amazing, blessed day today, you guys. Today is not about makeup, it is about hair. Yes, hair! You guys, I know y'all not used to seeing my hair in this state before, but this is my natural curly hair, you guys. And today we're going to be installing Havana twist. And a lot of people always think that I don't do my own Havana twist. Why my hair? But okay, the proof is in the blessed hands. Amen. Okay, you guys, so today you will have to be able to see me do my Havana twist. And so we are going to install it. My hair used to always get perms, like I said. My hair used to always get perms. I used to always give myself perms. Okay, and I'm going to part it to let you guys see how long my hair is. My hair actually was way shorter than this, you guys. I had cut it so short because I got so tired of my permed ends. I just couldn't do it anymore. You know, and this is how long it is when it's not just curly stretched out. Okay, so it comes about right there to my neck. Okay, you guys, now that you see, after I have stretched it out to let you see how long my natural hair is, I'm getting ready to start installing these Havana twists, you guys. Okay, you guys, I have already done the back of my hair. Okay, and I will turn around and let you guys see what that looks like. Matter of fact, let's turn around and let you guys see that now. Okay, this is the back. Okay, it's really just me and the instrument. Starting off with freshly washed and hi you guys. Okay, real quick, this is the hair that I'm going to be using. Okay, yay, it is Twist Up Passion Locks, you guys, and we're going to do Havana twist today, so let's get right on into it.
Can be redeemed. This is Stand Together presents stories, ideas, and advice. Changemakers tackle your biggest
Let's speed it up for you guys. Don't believe I moved this fast, so let me go ahead and move fast for y'all. Blessed hands on you. Blessed hands on you. Blessed hands on you. Blessed hands on you. Woo! Look at Jesus. Look at Jesus. Y'all, this This is nothing but God in my hands, in my hands, in my hands. Yes. And done.
We need God-based rules to keep
Almost done.
Be praying for us, but it's all about great quality with talent manipulation. So y'all just jump in there, talentman.com, and you check it out.
Well, I want to make sure that people know this is very important to you how picky you are and making sure that your customers get the highest quality.
That too, that's why it costs a little bit more because I want to make sure you see us not seeing us. Like me.
Okay, everyone, this is the end of my tutorial. Okay. I hope you guys like it. I put it up in a cute little bun and let the back hang down. But you guys see what the back looks like. Okay. And you guys, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and may you all have a wonderful, blessed day today. And remember, you are here for a reason. God put you here for a reason. Enjoy your life. Be happy. Be okay. Keep pressing towards that mark and be happy. Be happy. For a reason. Enjoy your life. Be happy. Love yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Bye.